you. Come on.
The paper mache is supposed to go on the balloons, Louise, not on your nose. The Super Bunny got you too, Ruby.
Here, let's turn it around. Come on, let's turn it around. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. Look at Emma.
Okay,
Where you
we
going?
covered them all with paper mache. But we
Here.
can't paint them till they're dry. I know how we can dry them faster. I'll be right back. Using the fan to dry the planets was a great idea, Ruby. They're ready. We can start the